Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. We have picked the kids up from school, we've cooked dinner, they've done their homework, and now we are going to tackle the closing shift together. So if you need just a little bit of cleaning motivation, keep on watching. Closing shift is so much easier when you just clean up as you go. So I'm just tidying up the spices and all of the ingredients that I use to put together dinner. Tonight was just chili, just put everything in one pot, super simple, and it's like 15 degrees outside, so it's perfect. I am just putting together the kids' Omi boxes for tomorrow and getting that set up and ready to go because we had chili for dinner, so that means they will have chili for lunch tomorrow, which is super simple to pack up in the morning. And again, just cleaning up stuff from making dinner. And here's final dinner. The Krusteaz cornbread is so good. Oh my goodness. Here is the aftermath after the kids have had their fill, and here are the dishes. So this is what we are tackling right now. We still don't have a backsplash, so I am just going to wipe the wall down behind the stovetop. At a certain point, there's just not going to be any paint on this wall because this is definitely like the builder grade flat paint that's not semi-gloss, not easy to wipe down. So I definitely took off some paint while scrubbing this wall, but it's just so nasty, I had to do it. Now I'm just going to move on to wiping down the counters. I've been using the Wyman's recently. They have it on sale at Home Goods and I picked it up the other day. What I do like about it is that it says it is effective against viruses and bacteria, and with it being cold and flu season, it can never be too safe. So just using this instead of the method for now. Honestly, I go back and forth, but using this every once in a while it couldn't hurt. wanted to check in with you guys. My last video, I kind of went into what my goals were for the new year, and notoriously the end of January is where all goals go to die. So I wanted to check in with you, make sure you're still maintaining your goals, and even if you fell off a little bit, you can hop right back on them. Nobody says that because you fell off a couple days that you can't just hop right back in, because you can. And I want to be here to motivate you to keep your space clean, motivate you to make nutritious meals for yourself, to get rest, to practice self-care mentally, spiritually, physically. And starting with your space is so important. I really do feel like a clean space is a clear mind. I, for one, cannot focus on anything if my area is cluttered. Also have an undiagnosed case of adult ADHD for sure. I think a lot of us do since the pandemic, but if I'm sitting in a space that's cluttered, I will 100% prioritize cleaning the space instead of doing what I'm actually supposed to be doing. So it's just better for my productivity overall. Anyway, I'm yapping. Let me know in the comment section below, how are you doing? Let's, this is a community. This is a safe space for us to chat. And yeah, let me know.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do.
I'll say it once, I'll say it again. There is no better feeling than coming downstairs in the morning and cooking breakfast and packing lunches in a clean kitchen. It is unmatched. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.